The silent depths of the ocean have long been the ultimate shield, a vast expanse where the most powerful machines on Earth move unseen. Nuclear submarines glide beneath the surface, carrying unmatched strategic power, hidden, undetectable, and central to global security. For decades, this invisibility has defined modern naval dominance, shaping deterrence, strategy, and the balance of power across nations. But a new technological shift is beginning to challenge that hidden world. China is advancing a new generation of detection systems designed to reveal what was once invisible, not through louder signals or larger machines, but through precision sensing at levels never before achieved. These systems focus on detecting the smallest disturbances in the ocean environment, changes so subtle they were previously lost in natural noise. From variations in magnetic fields to shifts in water properties, the ocean itself becomes a data field, and every movement leaves a trace. At the core of this breakthrough are advanced magnetic detection technologies capable of identifying the faint signatures produced by massive steel submarines as they move through Earth's magnetic field. Combined with emerging quantum sensors, these systems operate with extreme sensitivity, measuring atomic level changes that allow detection across greater distances and with higher accuracy. This is not traditional sonar. It is a new layer of sensing, one that transforms invisibility into detectable patterns. Beyond individual sensors, a larger vision is taking shape, an interconnected network across the ocean known as a transparent ocean system. Underwater sensors, drones, and data platforms working together to map, monitor, and analyze vast maritime regions in real time. This approach turns the ocean into a continuously observed environment where anomalies are tracked, movements are recorded, and stealth becomes increasingly difficult to maintain. The implications of this shift are profound. Nuclear submarines have long served as a cornerstone of strategic deterrence. Their ability to remain hidden ensured stability through uncertainty. But as detection technologies evolve, that uncertainty begins to diminish, potentially reshaping naval strategy, altering defense planning, and accelerating a new technological arms race beneath the waves, where dominance is defined not by silence but by sensing capability. Challenges still remain in scaling these technologies. Environmental complexity, signal interference, and real-world deployment present significant barriers. Yet progress continues as research advances and systems improve, pushing the boundaries of what can be detected and how accurately it can be tracked. With each step forward, the ocean becomes less of a hiding place and more of a monitored domain. This is how the future of warfare is being rewritten, not through visible conflict, but through invisible detection, where data replaces darkness and sensing replaces stealth. The balance of power is no longer defined by who can hide the best, but by who can see the most. And as this transformation unfolds, the silent depths of the ocean may never be truly silent again. Subscribe to DESN and step into a future where technology is not just advancing, but redefining power, strategy, and the unseen forces shaping our world. Like, subscribe, and be part of the evolution.